Welcome to Rob's Magic, and this is the Invisible Deck tutorial. So I have here an Invisible Deck, and you can have the Spectator shuffle. Oh wait, take it out of the box. No, I'm kidding, it's a little magician's joke. But you have them shuffle the Invisible Deck of cards, you take it back, and I say, okay, I'm going to spread out the cards here, pick any card you like, okay, and they take a card, and then what I want you to do is I'm going to turn the deck face up, and I want you to insert your card face down. So they insert their card face down, and I collect the cards. So just remember your card, and then if I take the deck here and I just give a little wave, it turns to a real deck. And can you just share with the audience, what was that card that you chose?
Six of diamonds.
Six of diamonds. So if I take out the deck here, okay, just like so, and I scroll out now, get the camera closer, and I just scroll out to the deck here. If you see there's only one card that's face down, and if we just pull that out, that's the Six of Diamonds. So this is a very powerful trick. It's called the Invisible Deck, and that's just my routine. You don't have to do it like that. You know, you can start off with I have an invisible deck, and then you can say, well, here I have a real deck or something like that. But that's the idea. You know, all I had was I just had the deck of cards behind me, and I just had your attention here and just went like this. It was probably obvious anyways. I usually don't do that all the time. But yeah, basically you can just have somebody name a card. So let's say when they name Six of Diamonds, what I'm doing is I'm going and I know exactly where the Six of Diamonds is located right there. Well, that's because this invisible deck is specially designed. Every card actually is attached. It's kind of glued to another card, and they're both one's face down and one's face up. And here's the secret: is basically, so they chose the Six of Diamonds. So since they chose the Six of Diamonds, six is an even number, okay, and 6 plus 7 is 13. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the Seven of Clubs, because the Six of Diamonds is right next to it. So let me say that one more time. This side of the deck has all of the odd numbered cards. So we have diamonds, clubs. So it's diamond, club, diamond, club, diamond, club, and it's all odd number. So it's king, jack, 9, 7, 5, 3. So it's all, and then ace. So it's like that. Or you can look at it this way. We have the two jokers here, and I'll explain why there's two jokers here. That's very important. And then we have ace of spade, skip a card. 3 of spades, skip a card. 5 of spades. So it's in order of the odd side. Okay? The other side of the deck, and these are the two jokers, and there's a reason why they're here. The other side is the even side. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we keep the jokers like this. So this way, when we pull the cards out, it looks like an actual deck. But suppose they chose, let's say, an odd numbered card. What I would have to do is look at the even numbered side, because I'm basically looking for its opposite. So think of it as if they chose Six of Diamonds, its opposite would be Seven of Clubs, because they have to add to 13, and also the opposite of diamonds is clubs. That's how this deck works. So let's say they chose let's choose an even number this time. Oh no, we chose an even number. Let's choose an odd number this time. How about 5 of spades? So what I would do is I would go to the even side this time. Okay, so I pull out the deck, and the even side is the side that the jokers are face down. So I say, oh, we don't need the jokers. Put those to the side, and I go to the even side. So they say 5 of spades. So in my head, I go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm looking for the 8. So I'm looking for the red 8, because they say 5 of spades. Spades is black, so I'm looking for so the card I'm looking for is the red 8. So I go through the deck, and here's a red 8 right here, and it actually was quite quickly. And then basically, this deck is, you gotta kind of play with this a little bit, but you want to kind of get a feel for it, and then you scroll through the deck, and there's only one card face down, and you don't want to show it like this because now they're face down as well, but you want them to actually pull it out, and you see it's the 5 of spades. So once again, with the card that they choose, if it's an even number, then you have to think you're looking for the odd number that adds to 13. Okay, and if you're looking for odd, you just pull out the deck. Okay, so you pull out the deck, and then you're on the odd side. Okay, so if they say pick an odd number, any odd number, like let's say the jack. So jack is 11, right? So let's say the jack of hearts. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. If they choose an odd number, that means I'm looking at the even side. So here's the even side. I pull out. I say, oh, we don't need the jokers. So I'm actually looking for jack is 11. So that means there's 2 left. So I'm looking for the black 2 because hearts is red. So I'm looking for the black 2 on the even side. So it's right here actually. So here it is. Okay. Actually, this is a cool deck because I have here the 10 of hearts and the queen of hearts. So the jack of hearts is going to be face down in between. This is a cool, pretty cool deck here. And that's the invisible deck.